This morning is that Kangemi shooting of that police officer gone rogue, where a police officer shot dead 6 people, including his girlfriend, and then killed himself using the same weapon. What are Kenyans saying, Asha?
Hi, Maringa. So Kenyans are just wondering what's happening in the police force. We've seen a number of such cases happening in recent times, and especially throughout this year. And guys are just wondering about the mental state of the police force in Kenya. That's mostly what guys are wondering about, but that's what has put Kangemi on the limelight as a trending topic this morning.
Indeed, and then now the River Nzu tragedy continues to still be a topic of discussion, especially over that man who lost 13 family members in that river tragedy, even as 30 bodies have been recovered. Talk to us about that.
Yes, so on the River Nzu tragedy, of course, it's been a big loss. We've had more than 30 bodies retrieved from the River Nzu, and we've seen one man who has lost 13 family members. So it's just, guys have come out on social media to commiserate with the man, and they're feeling really sorry for him because it's such a big loss. You can imagine just losing one family member, but this man has lost 13 people in this one tragedy.
And the Siaya gold mine, 10 people are still trapped. Asha?
Yes, in the Siaya gold mine, there are several people who are still trapped. It is day 6 of the search is still happening. Guys are wondering, are they still alive? What is happening? So it's just, eyes are out to see what's going to happen. Are they going to be rescued alive? Are we going to be retrieving bodies? It's not sure what's going to come out of this at the end of the day. So it's just curiosity, what's going to happen.
Yeah, right. And of course, we are still hoping, because we've had Kevin Ogo to tell us about the efforts and the residents calling on the KDF to come in. There is this story on Robinson Siko. Who is he and what has he done?
Yes, so this is a man who was arrested and imprisoned at the Bomet GK prison, and he was in there for 27 years. For 23 years, and he came back home on Friday, and there were 2 wives. 2 of his wives were waiting for him, and it was such a beautiful reunion. And guys are just wondering, 23 years, would you really wait for someone for 23 years? And of course, this comes off the backdrop of about 2 months ago, there was a man from Bungoma who went missing for 47 years, and his wives left him. When he came back, the wives had moved on. So guys are just wondering, would you wait that long for your spouse?
And of course, that's a topic of discussion, and we're to see how it continues. Now, the Supreme Court is back again trending over the IEBC and reopening of the servers of the 2017 general election. What exactly is the fuss all about?
The big question is this necessary, especially at this time? So we have one camp saying that, you know, it's okay, let's open, let's get the truth, let's find out if Uhuru won through the right processes. And then there's another camp that's questioning why now. We can move on. We don't have to do this right now. And then, of course, there are those guys who are just indifferent. They really don't care what happens.
And now the football matters. The football, of course, the EPL, the UEFA Champions League, the Leipzig faces Man City. What are these, 3 segments all about? Because this is quite some football action, and Kenyans are quite interested in it.
Yes. So Maringa yesterday refused to tell me your favorite football team. I will confess that mine was beaten. I'm an Arsenal fan, and Everton beat us 2-1 last night. So that's on the EPL. And then we have the UEFA Champions League is back tonight, and we'll be starting off with Real Madrid will be facing Inter Milan, and then we also have Leipzig, which will be facing Man City tonight. And
briefly then, in just 30 seconds, on the entertainment front, what do we have?
Sorry?
On the entertainment front, about Mulamwa and the Sony and the 2-month-old baby
Yes,
girl.
on the entertainment scene, we have the Mulamwa and Carol Sony breakup. This guy split up last week, and yesterday Mulamwa introduced his new girlfriend. They have a 2-month-old baby, and, guys are just wondering what's up.
Yeah, indeed, of course. And these are some of the stories that are trending. That was Sarah Asha Fox with What's Trending, of course, a segment that is daily on News Diary, Monday to Friday. That's why we end up News Diary this morning. Up next is Business Cafe with the